Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your pharmacy assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about Cefixime, an antibiotic that can be really helpful for your treatment. Cefixime is used to fight different infections caused by bacteria. It works really well for treating ear infections, throat infections, sinus infections, and urinary tract. Are you wondering how it works? Cefixime stops bacteria from growing. This way, it helps your body fight off the infection stronger. Now, how do you take it? It's super important to follow your doctor's instructions exactly. Usually, the starting dose is 400 milligrams once a day, or 200 milligrams every 12 hours. Don't forget to take it with food to avoid an upset stomach. It's also important to know about possible side effects. The most common ones are diarrhea, nausea, and stomach pain. In very rare cases, it can cause serious allergic reaction. If you notice any unusual symptoms, contact your doctor right away. Before we finish, remember that Cefixime doesn't work for infections caused by viruses, like the common cold or the flu, and never share your medicine with other people. To sum it up, Cefixime is a powerful tool for fighting bacterial infections. Always follow your doctor's instructions, and don't forget to finish the entire course of treatment, even if you start feeling better. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. See you next time.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.